Good day guys, welcome back to another video with Mr. Sa. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to multiply a decimal with a whole number. Without wasting any time, let's get right to it guys. So step number 1, we're going to write them in the column method. So we have 2.35 multiplied with 42. Alright guys, multiplied with 42. Now for the time being, I just want you guys to forget about the decimal and let's just multiply them as we would multiply any normal number. So first we're going to multiply 2 with 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 0 down, 1 carry over. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 times 2 is going to give us 4. Right guys? On the second line, since we're talking about tens digit, we're going to start with a 0, or you can also put an x if you want. Now we're going to multiply everything with 4. Now 4 times 5, let me use another color. 4 times 5 is 20. 0 carry over 2. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 4 carry over 1. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Alright guys. Now once we have reached this level, we're going to go ahead and add the numbers. Now 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. 4 plus 4 is 8. 9 plus nothing is going to give us 9. Right guys? Now we're going to come back to our decimal. Now if you take a look at it, in the first number we have 2 decimal places, and in the second number there are no decimal places. So let me just write 0. So the total amount of decimal places that we have is 2, right guys, is 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to start from the right hand side and go 2 places to the left. So we're going to go 1, 2 and put our decimal right there. So our final answer will be 98.70, or we can just write it as 98.7. Now let's go ahead to question number 2 guys. Again, write them in column method. So we have 128.9 multiplied with 32. Again, we're going to just forget about the decimal for the time being and multiply it normally. Alright guys, 2 times 9 is 18. 8 down, 1 carry over. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 7 down, 1 carry over. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 2 times 1 is 2. Alright guys. For the next line, we can either put a 0 or an x. So let me put x this time around. Change the color. Now we're going to multiply everything with 3. Now 3 times 9 is 27. 7 down, 2 carry over. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. 6 down, 2 carry over. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. And finally, 3 times 1 is going to 3. Now finally, we're going to add all of them. 8 plus nothing is 8. 7 plus 7 is 14. 4 down, 1 carry over. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 2 down, 1 carry over. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 down, 1 carry over. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Right guys? Now let's go ahead and find the total amount of decimal places. In the first number, we have 1 decimal place. In the second number, we have 0 decimal places. So totally, we have 1 decimal place, right? Again, start from the right hand side and go 1 decimal to the left and put a point right here. So our final answer is going to be 4124.8. Alright guys. And that is how you multiply a decimal with a whole number. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you could put a like below and comment if you understood this technique clearly. And if you want me to do any video for the future guys, please don't forget to comment below and I will look into it. Now until next time guys, have a nice day.